is 20. Find the integers. Number 20. In this problem, we let x be the a first integer, b next integer, c product, d 20. The answer is a first integer.
Morning, I'm Jonathan J. Halalon. And the question is, the equation to the problem can be described as A. Linear, B. Quadratic, C. Cubic, or D. None of the choices. The answer is letter B. Quadratic.
Good day everyone. This is Jib Gubalani. I am going to rationalize the item number 22. For the question is the answer to the problem is or are A 4, B 5, C 4 and 5, D it should be none of the choices. Okay. So in this problem, we have to let x be the first integer. And we have to let x plus 1 be the second integers. And hint, use the quadratic equation. Therefore, since it is a quadratic equation, we have to multiply x to x plus 1, then equals 20. By distributive property of multiplication over addition, we are going to distribute x to x plus 1. So x times x is simply x squared. Then x times x plus 1 is simply positive x, then equals 20. Then by addition property of equality rather, we have to add negative 20 from the right side and the left side. As you can see here, so 20 plus negative 20, the same thing here. So negative 20, addition, mag-add tayo ng negative 20, both sides. So we now have x squared plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Since as you can see, this is the general form of quadratic equation, as we what we are going to do is to find the possible factors of the constant terms. So the constant term here is negative 20. So lagay natin dito negative 20. So the possible factors of negative 20 is pwede siya maging 5 and negative 4. So 5 times negative 4 is simply negative 20. Then if you are going to add these two possible these factors, 5 plus negative 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, as we can see here, the coefficient of a linear term is 1. Therefore, we can use these factors which are 5 and negative 4. That is why we have this factor form, x plus 5 times x minus 4 equals 0. So what we are going to do now is equate this into 0. Therefore, as you can see, x plus 5 is equal to 0, or simply add negative 5 both sides, or transfer lang natin yung 5 to the right side. So it will become negative 5. That is why x is equal to negative 5. Then the same thing, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then it will become x is equal to 4. Now, substitute 4 to the original equation, or negative 5 to the original equation. That is why we have to substitute 4 to the x. 4 times 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So to check if it is correct, so 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, the two consecutive positive integers are 4 and 5. So we are going to substitute also negative 5 to the original equation, which is x. Then substitute natin negative 5, then negative 5 plus 1, negative 4, then negative 4 times negative 4 is 20. Therefore, it is correct. So therefore, the two consecutive negative integers are negative 4 and negative 5 and negative 4. Therefore, the answer of this question is letter C. Once again, thank you for listening and watching. This is Jib Gubalani for your Easy Maths.